So I'm going to be showing you the default ringtones on the alarm tone for the Samsung Galaxy S3 tablet. The first one is basic bell. The next one is basic tone. The third one is beep, beep, beep. This one's my favorite. I have this one as my favorite. We got clouds. We got dawn. We got dawn chorus alarm. Day by day. Daybreak. Deep blue sky. Drifting down stream. This one. High in the sky. Right on the water. Gentle spring rain. Hangouts. Messages. Videos. In your mind. Journey. Leisure. This is my second favorite. This one's my third favorite. Pinger, popcorn, quantum, rainbow, rainy day, birds of the sun, wrestling tree, scampering tone, sea breeze alarm, stirring morning, spring report. This one's cute too. Springtime more memories alarm. So that's all for our Samsung Galaxy S3 Tab default ringtones alarm. Thank you guys. Bye.